Alrighty, it's just past 9 o'clock. It's actually not too bad. There's still a little bit on the ground. So that's not too bad. Alright, clean this up before we go to bed and then wake up to complete and utterly snow craziness. Yeah. Whoa, look at this. We're the Blizzard of 2015. It just began. It's about an inch or two out here. Not even out. So we'll see what's gonna happen later on. The sky looks super bright too. Whoa, walking in my driveway. Ooh. The streets are very yellow. Alrighty, the calm before the storm. Let's do this. It's cold. I don't want this. My street is full of snow. It's coming down really good. It's coming down like crazy. And it's getting very much more cold out here. Whoa. Standing on my deck. And it's like super dark out. And I need some light. Because I have no light. Let's see. There's some light. Look at it. Whoa. Blizzard of 2015. Yeah. So we are in snow and we're trying to clean out. Oh my god, it's our first time out. Everything is full of snow. Alright, the deck is completely full. It's like almost super higher than yesterday. Yeah. So the snow's super high. Let it be done with it. Alright. So there is some piles that are super high. Ghost town over here. Alright, I'm gonna get shoveling and this place needs to get cleared out so I can go to work tomorrow. Alrighty. See you in a bit. So we just got totally plowed out just in time. So we just had to put our cars in the road, but hey, it's what we do. So it's very cool. Oh. Literally.
Hey, you will be. So this week you can blog about how good your neighbors are.
Yes, that's what I'm doing. Alrighty, so I did most of the front step. My mother is finishing it off. So now we can actually get to our front door, even though it looks like 3 feet of snow in the front over here. So it actually goes up to my knees. And yeah. Do you want to build a snowman? Yeah, maybe not. Well, I'm going back in, warming up. This has been the Blizzard of 2015, and I could not make a better straight path of the snow in my front yard. So, yeah. So we'll see what goes on from now on. And let's walk into the street where it's not even plowed, and I'm walking in the 3 feet of snow right here. Alright, so let's get back to the back of the house. And this is ridiculous. They only do the main street, not even the side street that we're on. So yeah, and we have a pile of snow that's about 7 feet tall around the side of my driveway. But otherwise, I could go to Dunkin' Donuts right now because that one's open and it's the closest one. But I'm not gonna get back into my car and go. And like I said, this pile is like 7 feet tall. Alright, so see you later. boom, back into the driveway. Alrighty, so I'm warming up inside. So that was this week's video on the Blizzard of 2015, and hopefully we get back to normal soon. So have a great day, everybody. See you next time. Bye.